Can I take the advantage of this one?
No,
I cannot take advantage.
no, because it is going to different other.
So I want to record here. How to record? I mean, this is another compartment.
No, this is the same common compartment. Water from pre-treatment is coming here. We have considered two compartments. If you have any issue in one compartment for mixing another, we can utilize other. But this is common. We have standby here. If any pump trips due to some more reason, so then standby will come. Here, one working, one is standby.
Yeah, I cannot take it. Okay, but I want to record some standby. I want to record here. How to record?
Because you have standby will available. Just
stand.
That is for maintaining.
Yeah. Standby tank 601 and B. 601 A oblique B.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is okay. And after that, we are coming. This pump we have considered. This we have considered. After that, there is check valve and manual valve. So we have to put the same check valve.
Same check valve.
Check valve is there and manual valve is there. We'll close it. Pump discharge. Check valve at pump discharge is there and manual valve pump discharge is there. So this will help. This will help.
Yeah.
So pump overload trip is there. Pump overload trip.
Yeah, certainly.
Yeah, is there
by default.
PI local PI is there.
Yeah, local PI.
Local PIT is also there. PIT 601
is also there.
PIT 601.
Yeah.
601. 601. So we are okay. And you have flow transmitter. You in pump trips, so you get FAR.
Yes.
In pump FAR.